2, 1, power up!
Autonomous begins for qualification match number 55. We see Red Alliance robots and Blue Alliance robots going after their switch and scale. Unfortunately for your Blue Alliance, we see 422 holding down the scale in Autonomous. They're going to recover that as soon as Teleop gets started. They back away from the scale, which is now neutral. We see Thunder Chickens alongside their partners Goon Squad, some of our Michigan teams on your Red Alliance. They've worked to claim that scale in favor of Red here in this match, nice and early. That's contributing to your Red Alliance lead, 93 points to 61, as we enter our teleoperated mode with drivers at the controls now. 1918 NC Gears on your Blue Alliance. They're working alongside their partners Cybertooth. Cybertooth and NC placing some power cubes on the scale. Cybertooth very creatively can place cubes on top of each other. It's pretty hard to build a robot that can reach that high on the opposite end of the scale and stack cubes on top of each other. But if they're toward the end of the plate, that's going to be more advantageous for your Blue Alliance as they try to recover possession of that scale. Looking at our switch on the Blue Alliance side of the field, there has been some defense played by Red. Blue Alliance just barely able to take it back now. That's thanks to the work of NC Gears. We see 3357 on your Red Alliance Comets. They're on their side of the scale, moving a power cube up onto the plate, and they add more power cubes to that side of the scale. That's going to make sure the Red Alliance hangs on to the scoring potential of that scale for as long as they can. Score update with under a minute remaining in this match, 245 to 159 now in favor of your Red Alliance. Our first power-up comes on in. We hear a Levitate and a Force from your Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance has been struggling to hang on to the scale, and they force their possession of it for 10 seconds as we enter our end game period. About 100 points separate these teams, but these robots are now looking to climb with just a few seconds left. We still have some power cubes that have not been used for power-ups quite yet. We'll see how that changes. NC Gears 1918, let's see if they can climb aboard with Cybertooth on your Blue Alliance. We might have all three robots in the air. If 422 can get on that platform, that'll be huge for your Blue Alliance, but Red will get it first. As we end our match, it appears that the Red Alliance has two robots up off the ground above the bricks. Another very exciting match with some climbs right at the end. Your winner was your Red Alliance. 446 points and 4 ranking points right at the end. Your Red Alliance managed to face the boss for your Red Alliance. The Blue Alliance